In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a Jotform in a pop-up window. This is a great way to let visitors fill out your form without leaving your website. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to use and click Edit Form. In the Form Builder, click Publish at the top of the page. From the left panel, select Embed, then choose Popup. Jotform will generate a pop-up code for your form. Copy the code and open your website editor. Go to the page where you want the pop-up form to appear and create or select a button or link that visitors can click. Add the Jotform pop-up code to the button or link according to your website's HTML or editor settings. You can also adjust the pop-up's width and height if needed. Once you've made your changes, save the page and preview your website. Click the button or link to make sure the Jotform opens correctly in a pop-up window. That's how to open a Jotform in a pop-up window. Thanks for watching.